What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry for the lack of uploads lately. It's been really cold out here, really icy, just really nasty in general. But today we're going to be throwing on some wheel spacers that I just got from I bought them from American Trucks. They're right here. These are Supreme suspension 1.5 inch wheel spacers. I'm just gonna put them on the back of my truck here because the front of my truck, you can see it's kind of hard to tell, but my front tires and wheels stick out about 1.5 inches further than my back ones, and I'd rather have the back wheels and tires stick out a little bit. See, it's kind of hard to see here, but they're like tucked in a good bit, and I want them to stick out just a little bit, give them a little bit of a poke, make the truck have a nicer stance. And I don't really want to put spacers on the front because that'll be just too much stress for the front components. The back here, it's only 1.5 inches, so it's not going to be adding too much stress. It's also gonna snow. Tomorrow we're supposed to get up to like 1 foot of snow here. So I'm gonna take these tires off, these wheels and tires, and put my other set on for now, because I don't wanna mess these chrome rims up any more than I have already. And these wheels, and these tires are pretty much bald. So I have my winter set, really good winter tires, and my crappy wheels I'm going to throw on. But we're going to put these spacers on first, and we're going to get a look at the truck after and see how she looks with these 1.5 inch spacers on the back. Should be a really good look for the truck. So we're going to get into it, guys. Before we start today's video, if you guys would do me a huge favor and like and subscribe, it really helps out the channel and lets me know you guys are enjoying the content. So with that being said, let's get into it.
Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a big baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby left. It's a big baby show. Take you so baby left, and I get to take you so baby.
We're ready to install this first wheel spacer here on the back. I went and got the little bit more pricey ones. These are called Hubcentric wheel spacers. You can see this inside part, it's a little bit bigger where my fingers are. That's to fit around that part that's built in to my truck. And then the idea behind this is that all the weight isn't on these new studs. See how this spacer fits right up against my wheel, and then it has a built-in little lip for my new wheel, or my wheel to sit on, just like the factory one has. So that's just the right way to do these wheel spacers from all the research I've done. We're gonna knock off some of this dust or some of this rust, and we'll get this thing installed. It comes with these lug nuts that go on the inside here. They're small enough to fit in these holes, and you're just gonna torque them down to the factory spec, which is, I believe, 140 foot-pounds. And then these wheel spacers will be all installed, and we can put our wheels back on. I have my winter tires here and my winter wheels. Gonna throw them back on, get ready for this snowstorm. So let me get this installed. Alright guys, these are the lug nuts they give you. They're size 19, which are the same as my once lug nuts. So we're just gonna put these on. Just gonna do it hand tighten for now.
Now I'm just gonna go clockwise, tighten all of them, just by hand. Now I gotta torque these down to the factory torque, which is 140. There's 130. 140. I'm just gonna go around now, torque all of them down. Go clockwise, so we don't go too much on one.
When you hear that little click, you know it's torqued right. Feel it actually. Check all of them again. Make sure.
Those are all now torqued to 140 foot-pounds.
We got the wheel spacer installed. You can see it here. Now we can throw the wheel on and compare it to the other side. Alright guys, just got my wheel back on. This is my winter wheel and tire. This is with the spacer installed. You can see it sticks out now a little bit past the fender, the body line, which it looks really good like that. Just a nice little poke, but I think it made a big difference. I'll show you the other side. You can see it doesn't stick out at all here. It's actually inside of the body, like tucked in. And back on the side where it's installed. Nice little poke to it. I like it. So we're gonna take this wheel off. Wow, yes. So we're gonna take this wheel off, put the other spacer on, put my winter wheel back on, drop the back, and then put the other wheels on front, and then I'll show you guys how it looks all done. So stay tuned for that. All right guys, here she is with the back wheel spacers installed. I'm really liking this look. So before, the front wheels were about 1.5 inches wider than the back. And since I added these 1.5 inch spacers on both sides, I actually added 3 inches. So now the back is about 1.5 inches wider than the front, which is what I wanted. And it turned out really nice. You can see it just has a little bit of poke here on the back, nothing too major. And I think it looks really good on the truck. More of a beefier look. You can see on this side. You can see it sticks out, I don't know, maybe 1 inch-ish, roughly. A little bit past my mud flap. But you can see the front doesn't stick out at all. It's still tucked in just a little bit. But now it's looking really good. Eventually I might buy some 2-inch spacers and put them on the back and throw these 1.5s up front. Kind of give it an offset, I'm not sure yet. Let me know what you guys think about these wheels or the chrome wheels, if you like the look better on the truck with the smaller black wheels or the big chrome wheels. I'm not really sure which way I like it better. I mean, this is more of an off-road, beefier look, and the other wheels are like a cleaner look. But let me know what you guys think. Give you a look from back here. You can see I'm parked on a little bit of a hill, so it's not perfectly straight. Well, that's all I have for you today, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed the video down below. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you did. It really helps out my channel, helps me grow. I'm still on my journey to 1,000 subscribers, so really help me out if you subscribe. And let me know what you guys think about the truck. That's all I have for you today. Peace.